Okay, to break the monotony, kahit ilan lang tayo, mabuhay ang GBI! Itaas ang tunay na GBI, Yakpi! Okay, mabuhay tayong lahat! Okay, para magbigay ng kasiyahan ngayong araw na to,
please welcome. Hello. Please welcome.
Okay, let's welcome.
Our beloved IAP, respected IAP, the Board of Directors, officers, and members, good morning. This is a very auspicious moment for me. As we all have gathered to celebrate this event, GBI Thanksgiving Party, I am here to deliver my inspirational message on this occasion. Have you ever had that person that was a role model in your eyes? That person that you thought, wow, I want to be just like them. I want to have their powers and their strive. Their motivation and their strive. That person who shoots for the stars and isn't afraid of failure. That person who stands up to what they believe in, and when things get through, they fight through it. That person who encourages others to be the best they can be. All these qualities fit the person, and in my eyes, is a perfect role model. IAP Vic Gardosi, he has inspired me to be the best that I can be. Founder Vic Gardosi, as many of you already know, this is the person will give to him, but it's still given to those who need it the most. Whatever he tried, he was amazing at it. One amazing quality, and that Founder Vic Gardosi had was her leadership hands-on to handle our association or organization. There are many trials that came to him, but it is all surmountable because of his kindness and the beliefs that those who are trials are just challenges. As a member of GBI, I'm growing up in this organization or association was my role model. I wanted to be here. He was an amazing, a great leader, founder. Wow, I be the best could I be. We wanted to follow right in here. Founder Vic Gardosi said love being in our organization. The thing I enjoy most about were our countrymen, whether a role in getting to know everyone or not. The people of GBI made me worthwhile, was such a blessing to me. I always thought it was so cool being one of the members and having a BODs of this association. One thing I've always wondered about was how on earth am I going to BOD my time in GBI? Our founder quickly made me realize that it's not that hard. I have been dealing with my colleagues. GBI, for as long I can work and continue participating in our organization in their other activities. The entire journey was learning experience for me and the success of this association. I am more energized and charged up to take up new and challenging moments which would work in benefit of this organization and the environment. Together, we overcome every problem and challenges which have now become the milestone for us. The GBI was also very close to my heart because it's about innovating. I'm very glad to announce that we did it. I asked our founder what her greatest accomplishment was, and he spoke. My greatest accomplishment this far would probably be never forgetting where I came from and realizing how blessed I have been. Nothing circumstances has the right to steal our delight. Whatever you do for an audience of one. I said this one every time I walk out on the field. Experience is not what happens to you. It's what you do with what happens to you. The 3P to life are prayer, persistence, and planning. Train like you're second, play like you're the first, and last but not today, Nobody can go back and start new beginning. But anyone can start today and make new ending. Restart your life. Delete negative people. Forget your past. Accept your mistake. And restart your life with a joy. A hug thanks to everyone present here. And once again, the sincerest thank of GBI Akpi. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you.
Ano ng tubig? Bigyan mo ng tubig. Talagang matiptip. Matiptip yun, pres. Yun tayo, matiptip yung sakit doon.
Ang sakit.
Talagang may tatamaan doon. Talagang sabi ko. Tapusin mo na, papalakpak na ako.
People, sabi ni BDO, delete negative people.
BOD, hindi BDO. BOD, Board of Directors, hindi BDO. Ay, bangko yun, bangko.
BOD pala.
BOD yun.
Sorry. Hindi. Sinadya ko talaga na BDO para kasi hindi sila nakikita.
Kasi nga, wala eh.
BOD pala.
BOD,
So, ang ganda yung sinabi ni advice ni ano.
Nung nangalahati na. Gusto ko na sabi, tama na.
Negative people.
Masakit eh.
But in life, never delete negativities. Kasi dyan tayo nabubuhay.
Palagpakan na natin. Usap palagpakan yan. Para sa ating Bio de Ronald. Pero, thank you so much.
Pero tama yung sinabi ni ano.
Tumpak yun.
Hindi kasi tayo sa isang organisasyon, hindi kasi tayo nabubuhay sa mga negative na members natin. Kasi pag pinansin talaga natin, talagang
malhahawa ka doon.
Hindi, magda-down at magda-down yun.
Pababa ng pababa. Lahat damay na kayo. Pati yung iba, masasama na. So sayang, ang pinaghirapan, dapat ituloy ang laban.
Gusto ko yung ending. Yung
ano sabi?
Ni BOD kanina na someone will follow what you have started, and today you said someone will start the new beginning. Ayun na. Ang galing ko talaga.
Na-memorize mo yun?
Hindi, kasi pag nag-speech talaga, pinapakinggan ko, hindi yung nakaupo lang dyan atin na ano. Dapat, kung may nag-speech talaga, pakinggan natin at sinasapuso natin. Kasi nakakapag-absorb tayo ng learnings. Nagdasal sa buhay natin sa araw-araw nating buhay yan.
Uminom na ba ng tubig to? Napainom ka na ng tubig?
Maraming salamat. Sa magsisimula bukas, i-delete mo na yung mga negative na tao sa buhay.
Talaga naman.
Simula ko itong dalawang kasama ko kasi mga negative yan. Oo, negative yung dalawang yan.
Dalawang yan. Naku, talaga naman. Kasama mo pala yan?
Oo, pero mahal na mahal na sila.
Okay naman siya.
Sabi nga nila, kung ano yung mga nagda-down sa'yo, mamahalin mo sila.
Siyempre, para na makasama ka.
Joke lang yun. Mag-fiesta nila ako sa fiesta.
Okay.
Okay, maraming
Ano ba? Ipoproceed naman natin to? Bibigyan naman natin to?
The next part of our program is lunch.
Lunch?
So, punta tayo lahat doon at kakain.